what you heard. Don't care what you heard.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to JMC Rides. I'm John. I got the 18 wide body hellcat behind me. People who are new to the channel, I also have a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon hard rock with tons of modifications. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click the little bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and let me tell you why. Right now there's a cash giveaway going on. In about a week, winner will be chosen. We did another cash giveaway about a month ago. These cash giveaways are happening on a regular basis, so I highly recommend you subscribe and you sign up for those notifications, because even if you don't win this cash giveaway, maybe you'll win next month's. In the description below, there's a link for the cash giveaway, so click that link, follow the rules in that video, and I wish you guys a lot of luck. So today we're going to be answering a lot of the questions you guys have been asking me via the comments, Facebook, Instagram. You guys always find some way of getting a hold of me, so here we go. Let's answer those questions. You guys are asking me about the YouTube cash. You're asking me about what kind of gear do I use to make these videos, edit, that kind of thing. Let's address the gear question first. One, from now on, guys, in every single video that I have, just look at the description below. You're gonna see links for all the gear that I use. Everything's gonna be listed in the description below. So if you're ever curious, wondering what do I use, or you're looking to start your own YouTube channel, just check the links below. You'll find most of the gear that I use in there. I just want to throw that out there, and that's going to be in every single video that I make from now on. Keep in mind, I do work in the tech field as my full-time job, so I tend to kind of go a little bit over the top with some of the gear. Now check out my home office setup real quick.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
See, that's what I'm talking about. I kind of go over slightly over the top with the screens and the MacBooks and this and that, but whatever. Let's move on to the cash, because that's what you guys are really here for. That's what you guys love to talk about. So YouTube cash. A few months back I made a video revealing my earnings. Back then I had around 17,000 subscribers, and at around 17,000 subscribers I was probably making around $700-ish, $750, $760, something in the 700s. You can check out that video if you're curious. Now let's fast forward to 23,000 subscribers. The jump from 17 to 23,000 subscribers, it really isn't a big jump, to be honest with you. It really isn't. And the reason why, before I actually tell you how much I'm making right now, the reason why I'm making what I am making right now, it's not because I jumped from 17 to 23,000 subscribers. It's simply because the channel has dramatically increased in activity, views. There's tons of activity on the channel now, whether they're fans of the Challenger, fans of the Jeep, or simply haters that hate on the American vehicles that are talking crap. That's why I always welcome the haters, and I always give them the finger, because at the end of the day, those haters are still making me money, and so I really appreciate that, guys. You're always welcome to keep hating in the comment section below, because I'll just keep buying cooler cars, and I'll keep giving you reasons to hate me more. So anyway, the YouTube cash that I'm making right now, check out this clip right here. What you're looking at is how much I actually made in the past 28 days. It's a little over $1,500. Look at the views. Look at it, I think it shows you the minutes. Now, at slightly over $1,500 a month, again, it's not based on the subscriber count, it's based on the views. Now, I didn't get into YouTube to try and get rich. I've always had a good career. You know, I'm really good at what I do for a living. I think my first video that I ever uploaded on YouTube was probably around 2010, 2011. But I think it was around 2010. I had a 2010 Ford Raptor with a 6.2 liter motor, I remember. And the only reason why I even uploaded those videos was because my coworkers were asking me, hey, I want to see some videos of the, you know, like the dumb stuff you're doing on the weekends with your truck and that kind of thing. And then I started uploading those videos, and I saw people kept just coming in, and all of a sudden those videos started jumping in 100, 200, 300,000 views. I was like, all right, people really are into this. So I started uploading more videos. Keep in mind, back then I was uploading videos maybe once every 2-3 months, maybe 4 months, who knows. I wasn't treating YouTube as a job. Now, I would say that YouTube is definitely now kind of like a part-time job for me, but it's a job that I absolutely love, and there's nothing in the world that I would love more than to be able to do this full-time. If I could do this full-time, it would actually be a dream come true, because honestly, what's better than waking up every morning, taking your cars out for a ride, modifying your cars, hanging out with other car enthusiasts, and that kind of thing? I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. So, there you go, guys. That's how much I actually make right now. Now, my goal for 2018 is to get to 100,000 subscribers. Now, I know I am just barely at 23,000 subscribers. You're probably wondering how the hell you're gonna do it. I'm also wondering the same thing. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but I promise you I will do it. I'm going to be collabing with a lot of other YouTubers. We got some track events, that kind of thing coming up. So there's a lot of cool content coming with the Challenger, the Jeep, and we might possibly have a new vehicle coming on the channel. We'll get into that in a separate video. So anyway, the reason why I wanted to show you guys the earnings was basically because, as always, I want complete transparency with you guys to try and be as honest as possible when it comes to the cars and the things that are going on. Even when I spend over 80 grand on a car like this, something breaks. Some people might hide that there's something wrong with their car. If something breaks on this car, you guys are like the first to know. I let you guys know because I want you guys to know what to expect, what the ownership experience is like. And for the record, I absolutely love this car. It's insane. I pretty much like this car, I think, more each day I get into it and take it for a ride. It's hard not to like a car that has over 700 horses. Anyway, guys, remember what I said before. In every single one of my videos, even the old ones, the first ones, all the future ones, all of the gear, all the tech gear that I use on the YouTube channel, it's going to be in the description below. So just check out those links. I recommend, if you're going to start a YouTube channel, make sure you love doing it. Don't do it just to try and get rich or make money, because I promise you, you're gonna burn yourself out and you're gonna give up, and you're not gonna go anywhere. Now, if the channel really wasn't making any money, I wouldn't be able to justify making videos on a weekly basis. You have to keep in mind, when I'm editing a video can take 4 or 5 hours. That doesn't even include the time that it takes to go out and film the video, you know, and drive to wherever you're gonna drive, or meet up with people to shoot a video, that kind of thing. If YouTube paid me $0, I would probably go back to uploading videos maybe once a month, once every 2 months, because I would have to do something else that's gonna make money. It just wouldn't be worth the time. I would still be having fun with the cars, and I would still be doing all the craziness and modding my cars. I just probably wouldn't be spending all the money that I do on gear, like cameras, laptops, monitors, software, all that kind of stuff. Now that I actually am making a few bucks on YouTube, it's actually worth my time to make these videos on a weekly basis. And as that income gets higher and higher, you guys are going to keep seeing cooler and cooler cars on the channel. And if one day that income is big enough where I could just say, you know what, I'm going to do YouTube full time, then you guys could expect some crazy, insane videos. Thanks to YouTube, I get to meet a lot of cool people that are also into the same kind of thing. So it's a great hobby / part-time job. I mean, to be honest with you, I don't even kind of look at it as a job. Yes, you make money, but when you're doing something that you actually love to do, it doesn't really feel like work. And hopefully one of my goals is also to be able to do this full-time. Let's go ahead and hit that 100,000 subscriber mark, guys, for 2018. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.